How to find a snowy fox in Minecraft. So first you just simply need to explore a snowy taiga biome right here. So they spawn naturally on these biomes. So you simply need to explore this. So it's hard to spot them since they camouflage on the snow, but you just need to simply explore the biome so that you can find them. So I found some right here. So as you can see, they're right here. So this is what they look like. But just be careful when you approach them in survival. Unless you sneak up to them, they will just basically run away. So in survival, you just simply need to be careful so that they won't run away. But this is basically what they look like. And if you spawn them in creative mode, so as you can see right here, I'm just gonna spawn them. If you spawn a fox outside the snowy biome, this will just generate a normal fox right there. But if I put them on a snowy biome right here, or on the snowy taiga, as you can see, they will spawn naturally as a snowy fox. And that's how you basically find a snowy fox in Minecraft.